let's review
the Funwhole Wild West Freight Train set number F9036. Let's go. Check it out. What's up, LEGO fans? JP Build Tier Bricks is the way. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. I do post daily. Trying to reach 3,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's see if we can do it, LEGO fans. So don't forget to hit that like button. Yeah. So, welcome to another review video. Haven't done for a little while now because now we've got things up to review. The Funwhole Wild West Freight Train set number F9036 came with 6 minifigures. Came out in 2024 with what was it? 1,524 pieces. Overall, it's a nice set. I like the colors. I love the colors designs. Flip this around. Love the colors. Love what they did. I do. I like the dark green. There's no stickers. Absolutely no stickers. The printing is mint. The printing is, I love it. I love the printing here. I love the printing there. There. There's printing 36 right on the front. There's printing back here on the doors. Printing back there. I love it. I love the printing. They got some nice printing on each of the minifigures. I'm still not a fan of their arms and their hands. I'm sorry, but the arms and the hands could do better. I mean, you raise the arm up and you're just covering up their face. And it's a little weird. Just in my opinion. So we've got 6 minifigures here. We got a train conductor guy. Guy who goes around, gets the tickets, and says, "All aboard." He's got nice front printing. He's got nice printing on his head. Hat. No double printed head. Gloves on his hands. The legs. No printing on the legs, though. Nice little minifigure. Next up, we've got the train engineer. He's got nice for printing of coveralls on his body and printing on his back. No double printed head. Got a hard hat. Simple face. Still, overall nice minus the arms. This one I really like. I like her. She's got a dress on. Front printing. Back printing. Nice long hair. No double printed head. Nice printing on the face. Got this fancy guy in a top hat. He's got actually printing on his legs, both front and back. Printing on the front of his torso, but nothing on the back of his torso. A nice top hat and a mustache. Then we got this here criminal. He's got printing on the front, printing on the back. No printing on the double side of the head. I like to call this guy Eye Patch Arthur Morgan, because he looks like Eye Patch Arthur Morgan. He looks like Arthur Morgan just with an eye patch. What's the plan, Dutch? It's me, Arthur. I do a terrible Arthur impression. And then here's our second criminal. You know, if you've played Red Dead Redemption, they might look a little familiar. That's why I'm saying that one's Arthur and this one is Dutch. The way he looks like Dutch, in my opinion. I haven't played Red Dead Redemption 2 in quite a bit, but to me, he looks like Dutch. So he's got front printing, no back printing. Oh, he's got printing on his back pockets there. I wonder if they're supposed to be in the front. That just looks weird. I'm going to put it back that way. Not printing on the head. All right, Arthur. The TNT is set up. Blow the train. What, Dutch? We just built it. Don't worry. I have a plan, Arthur. You always have a plan. So, those are the minifigures. And my terrible impressions of Arthur Morgan and Dutch from Red Dead Redemption. that's the figures. We'll get to the train in a sec. Here we got a water tower. I really like the water tower. Let me know your thoughts on it. I like the, how they did the build of it. Got this plant here. Now, I compare it to a Lego version of this plant. Same plant, same element, but Legos is much softer. Like, Legos is much softer than Funwholes. It feels like they used the same plastic, or I don't know. Because, like, I know for plant products, Lego uses a softer plastic, or like something that's made from plants. Whereas this one it feels so much rougher. And I see that little plant over there fell off. But this is so much rougher than this. This one's nice and soft. That one's rough. So we got a little little bag here, probably full of some goods. Got barrel, treasure chest, cactuses, wanted poster, a fence, and some water coming out of the water tower, and a ladder to get up there. It's a nice little touch. I like the design of the water tower. I like the how they did all this. I like the design of it. So you got train tracks running all the way through. Right up front here. Nope, cannot see. I'll have to turn the camera. Right here, you got stick of dynamite and the plunger. Now, this train does not drive itself. It does not have a motor in it. You can retrofit one in. But it does, however, and I did get batteries. Boom. She's all lit up. So, what lights up? The front light. The light inside the train cab. The fire lights up. That light lights up right there. Then going next lights are way back here. One right here. One light inside the cargo hold area. One light inside the passenger area. And the light on the back of the train. All that lights up. I'm trying to be careful. We already had a derailment on Saturday with this train, so I don't want to have another derailment. Oh, you got shovels right there. When it does roll on the tracks, those do roll, which is really nice. This is nice and sturdy. I do love the logs. We'll get to the logs in a second, but this is nice and sturdy. Perfect place to hide the battery pack for the lights. The engine, however, I did manage to find this. I found it. So, got the bell, got all this, but this does not, for some reason, want to lock down, even though it could, but it doesn't want to. Or I'm thinking it can, but I don't know. But I find this just so wobbly. I don't know. I feel like I need a Lego version of a steam train to compare it to. Because this just feels just so wobbly and loose. Like, these wheels, they love to fall off. They love to fall off at the slightest touch. Before I had it on the train tracks, I always found one of the wheels falling off. So these wheels like to fall off. They don't have good grip in there. Other than that, let's see here. Sorry about that. See, can you even see that? See, there's the 63 on the front there. Or not the 63, the 36 printing on the front, which is the set number, like the last two digits of the set number. There's also the 36 right there. You got freight, I love this printing. The logs are very nice. But chain down, which really helped in the derailment because they were chained down. I love the printing on the front because they got the wood grain. They also got it on the back, but you could just barely see it because of the color. Again, the cart itself for the logs, pretty solid. It's a pretty good, just even on how small it is, it's still pretty good. Chain this back down. Always secure your loads, whether it's in your personal vehicle, on a semi-truck, or on a freight train. Make sure your loads are secure, or even on your bicycle. You don't want a unsecure load. So I don't think this roof can come off. Oh yeah, it can. Okay, so the roof comes off, and it's good because you got these lights that are wired in, but it plugs in with this, and it just attaches up top here. There's like a little thing right there. It just plugs into, and they'll like turn the lights on and off. So you got a little seating area in there. You got another wanted poster. You got luggage, and money was just running around rampant all over the place in there. Now you can actually take these carts apart, but it's a bit of a pain, and you have to unplug them as well. So here's another one of those plugs right there, and the alternative, that's how the electrical current can go through it. But overall, it is a nice build. It is a nice build, and I still love the colors, but I'm not too satisfied with this train. It just feels like the steam engine. It just feels so loose and wobbly. But I don't want to give it too good of a score. I don't want to give it too bad of a score, because most of it is good. It's just these wheels. That's what it is. It's just these. The top part's fine. You got this little top hatch here to get in there. It's the wheels that have me not so loving giving it a good score. But other than that, it's still a great set. I recommend it if you're getting into the Funwhole stuff. I do plan on eventually getting more of the Wild West stuff, so stick around. I also have the, an Amazon wish list up, so if you want to, or if you wish to, or if you want to sponsor a future video, you can through the Amazon wish list. I also have a PayPal link in the description below if you wish to leave a tip. Only if you want to, no problem at all. Or no forcing, no nothing. Stick around as there is the speed build, so enjoy that. My rating on this, I'm going to give it... I really wish the train could drive itself. So that's a... I know we can retrofit it. But I still wish it came with... I love the light kit, but I wish it also came with the way to drive itself. I love the water tower. I still am not a fan of the minifigure arms, just the arms. The printing on them is beautiful. The printing everywhere and the gold everywhere is really nice. I could show the other side of the train, but it's literally just the opposite of this side. And it's like really hard. I didn't really show much. And the TNT fell off. Did I? I don't know. But I'll bring the train cart over. I guess I could just disconnect. So here it is. I really like this printing here. I like how it slides on not just one side, but on both sides. Got printing up there. Faux City Desert Junction Goldwood. You got this. No metal rods like the Lego one would have. And you got a little printing on these doors here. You got another door right here. And they do leave it set up so you can extend the train for more cars if you want to as well. So I forget stuff. I should like write down or I should get someone to write down me a script of what everything I should say. There we go. Now to replug in the power. There we go. Power's back. Still, overall, is a great set. I'm going to give it an... Okay. That's a downgrade. Because I am still not satisfied with these wheels and the fact that it doesn't drive itself. Yeah, I have to retrofit it myself and get the whole drive kit. I'm going to say it's a 7.5 out of 10. It's still pretty good. I could knock it down to 5. But it still is a great set because I do love the light kit. I love the printing. I love the gold and the green. I love the water tower. I love these 3 cards. No issues with them. It's just these wheels. And let me know your thoughts on it. And don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, hit that bell icon so you never miss a video I do post daily. Stick around for the speed build. This is JDP Builds, and bricks is the way. Thanks for watching.